Today in this video I will show you the 30 most powerful and time-saving run commands in Windows. Whether you are a beginner or a power user, these commands will boost your productivity, help you troubleshoot faster and unlock hidden tools in your system. So what you will learn today is you will learn how to open device manager, task manager, disk management in seconds, and secret run commands for security and network diagnostics, shortcuts to access system settings and clean up your PC. So let's start the video. So first you need to press Windows and R together. So this will open your run terminal. So the first command is cmd. So this basically opens the command prompt, and this basically gives you quick access to the command line. So you can see that it has opened our command prompt. So this was our first command. Then the second one is writing PowerShell. This will open up your PowerShell. This is advanced command line with scripting. So this was your second command. So the third one is control control. This one opens your control panel, the center hub for system settings. So I'll press enter and you can see this has opened your control panel. So the fourth one will be msconfig. So this one basically opens your system configuration. This helps you troubleshoot startup and services. So I'll press enter. So this opens up your system configuration. You can see normal setup, diagnostic, startup. You can go to boot, services from here. These are the services that are running and stopped. You can see it from here. Let's go to startup tools, etc. So this was our fourth command. So the fifth command will be regedit, regedit. So this one basically opens your registry editor, edits your system registry. This one is only for advanced users. So here you can see it has opened up my registry editor. So the sixth command will be services.msc. So this basically opens your services manager. This manages your Windows services and their state. So if I press enter, you can see your services. You can see the name, description, status, startup type, log on it. So this helps you manage your Windows services and states. So our seventh command will be taskmgr. So this one basically opens your task manager, which basically monitors and controls running applications and processes. So here you can see this command has opened up your task manager. So the eighth command will be event dvwr. So this basically opens up your event viewer, which views your system and application logs. So if I press enter, okay, I think vwr, event vwr, this is the command. So this says opened up your event viewer. Here you can see your system and application logs. You can see your Windows logs, custom views, application and services logs from this command. So the ninth command will be devmgmt.msc. So this one basically opens up your device manager, views and manages your hardware devices. So here you can see it has opened up your device manager. From here you can view and manage your hardware devices. So our 10th command will be appwiz.cpl. So this one basically opens up your programs and features. So you can basically uninstall or change your installed softwares from here. So my 11th command will be ncpa.cpl. So this basically opens up our network connections. Here you can see all the network connections. You can manage your network adapter and settings from here. So currently I'll go to Windows. Our 12th command will be diskmgmt.msc. So this one basically opens up our disk management. Here you can see this has opened our disk management. So you can see partition and manage your drives from here. So here you can see disk 0 has the D, E and F, and disk 1 has only the C. So you can see your drives from here and manage them. So 13th command will be calc. This one basically opens up our calculator app, so you can quickly access your calculator from just writing calc in your run command. So this was 13th command. And our 14th one will be you can write notepad here, and this will open up your notepad from your run command. So 15th one will be you can write ms paint, and this basically opens paint application. This is a simple image editor. So the 16th one will be you can write explorer here, and this one will open your file explorer, so you can browse your files and folders easily from here. The 17th command will be control printers. So this basically opens devices and printers. You can manage your printers and devices from here, and just writing the command in your run command. 18th one will be sysdm.cpl. So this one basically opens up your system properties. Here you can see you can view your system info and configure system settings from here. You can see computer name, hardware, advanced system protection, remote, etc. All these options are available here. So our 19th command will be cleanmgr. So this basically opens up your disk cleanup. This can free up space by deleting unnecessary files. So if I just win11c, okay, so this can help us delete unnecessary files. So I won't delete any right now, but you can delete your unnecessary files by writing this command. So our 20th command will be PowerShell ISE. So this basically opens your PowerShell ISE. This is the scripting environment for your PowerShell. So this opens up this one. The 21st command will be ncpa.cpl. I think I have used this one before. So this basically opens up your network connections. So the next command will be firewall.cpl. So this basically will open up your Windows firewall settings. Here you can see it has opened up your Windows firewall settings. You can manage your firewall rules from here. So our next command will be snipping tool. If you should write snipping tool here and press OK. This will open up your snipping tool. Next one is dxdiag. So this one opens your DirectX diagnostic tool. Do you want to check out your? So this will troubleshoot your audio and video problems. You can see this is checking now. So our next command will be magnify. This opens your magnifier, which helps you to zoom tool for accessibility. Here you can see. So next, let's go to our next command. This is OSK. This opens up your on-screen keyboard. So here you can see this has given us an on-screen keyboard we can use. So this can be a temporary solution for your keyboard problems. So next command will be cleanmgr.msc. So this opens up your computer management. You can access many admin tools in one place from here. You can also use this command temp. This opens up the temp folder. You can delete all files here to clear junk and free up space. So you can delete all of this and this will free up your space. Next command will be temp percentage and percentage in the end and in first. This one will also open up your user specific temporary files folders. So delete everything here regularly to reduce your lag. You can also use prefetch. So this opens up your Windows prefetch cache folder. Delete old entries can help speed up your boot times. So let's go to another one. Let's write msconfig. So this opens up your system configuration, and you can go to your startup tab to disable any unnecessary startup programs, which speeds up your boot time. You can do it from here. So these are some helpful run commands. The next one can be control power cfg.cpl. This opens up your power options. You can set to high performance mode for better speed. This one. You can write sysdm.cpl and open up your system properties. You can use this command netcpl.cpl. So this opens up your internet properties. You can delete your browsing history, cache, and manage performance settings under the advanced tab. So you can control all of these settings from here. So these are some useful run commands. You can also use this one, %app data %. So this opens up your app data folder. Manually delete all your cache logs of unused applications. So our last run command will be control update. So this one opens up your Windows update settings. So keeping your system updated and ensure performance and security improvements. You can check for updates from here. So these were some useful run commands. I hope you liked the video. So this was all for today. Thank you.